Money, Super Gold Saver, and I'm here today to show you how to join Forsage using Coinbase wallet. Yeah, that's right. For all you guys out there who have Coinbase, you can use Coinbase wallet to join Forsage. So it's very simple. You can also connect your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account, so you can deposit your Ethereum to participate very easily. So it's very simple. Once you have created your Coinbase, or if you already have your Coinbase and have Ether, download Coinbase wallet to your phone. Now, you can create a new wallet by simply clicking create wallet. Or if you already have an Ethereum wallet, you can click I already have a wallet. And then you will ask you for your mnemonic phrases, 12 words, put them in, and it will reboot your wallet. And you can join Forsage by simply getting the link from below, pasting it in your browser, and joining. But we will go through. So once you've created your wallet or imported the wallet you already have, we will go to the next step. Once you have created the account, it will bring you to the page where it says your wallet has been created. You will see this icon here. You can connect it to your Coinbase account. As you can see here, easier transfer coin from your Coinbase account to wallet. Start by connecting your Coinbase. Now you can connect your Coinbase. You can also back up. Takes 2 minutes to back up your wallet. You'll never lose your money ever. So you can also back it up, or you can click do that later. As long as you have the 12 words, you will also always be able to access your wallet. Now, once you have Ethereum in your wallet, if you've transferred it from Coinbase or wherever you purchase your Ethereum from, it's very simple. At the bottom, you'll see the D apps button. The button here, which is the 4 squares, it is a browser button. Now, the person who referred you to this program is very simple. You need to get a referral link off of them. Once you get the referral link off of them, you will copy the referral link. So let's say, for instance, they send it to your WhatsApp. You copy it from your WhatsApp. Now you click the 4 squares, it will bring you to a browser like here. Then you paste it in the top. So let's just say, for instance, forsage.io. That is the website, but they will give you a link that you paste in. I'm doing this for example purposes. Then you press go. Once you press go, it will bring you to the Forsage website. Once you are at the Forsage website, it's very simple. Click join now, then you click to register, then you click approve, then you wait for your account to be created. Once your account is created, it will bring you into the program. Now, once you're in the program, it will load and it will bring you in. This is just a dummy account that I created to just show people how it works. So now you are in. Now get back to the person who referred you and they will break down, or you can watch some of my previous videos that explains the back office and how it works. I hope this helped. Young Gold Money, Super Gold Saver, I'm out.